Alexis, I showed him Everaldo Millionaire. Oh shit, you
What?
can't put that in the
What'd you show
video.
him?
Get my drip real quick.
Bought some Cartier, I made the bag drop. Cooking up like I'm whipping a crack pot.
Oh, dude. You have chunks, God.
Bruh.
I had to get these new ones like a month ago. No, 2 months ago.
Alright, well, we're gonna cruise out. We're gonna go out to Tortilla Flats and
We're gonna stop at that little western town.
We're going to Vegas.
we're gonna mob out, guys.
We're going to Vegas to go blow some racks.
Yeah, we're going to Vegas, guys. Jack boys.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you guys.
I'm gonna follow Bro ED.
Eric, you don't have it.
No, it's on this side, look.
Yeah, that side is bad.
Just because I eat 2 4x4s at 11 o'clock at night doesn't mean I'm fat.
Well, I think we all have rubbing issues, right?
Just push your beard up into your face.
Hope you guys enjoyed the little cruise with us. And it should be pretty dope. I'm gonna get some snacks though.
Ooh, that bitch so bad, I might just fuck without a strap. We got.
Hey guys, look at this sick ass view though. Oh my god. That's so fire. There's people all the way up there, if you guys can see them standing on top of the cliff right there. Yo guys, I'm surprised with how good the Q is handling in these tight corners here. Last time I came here, I was on stock suspension, and you know, being lowered on an aggressive drop with such an aggressive fitment, it's doing really good. That's so filthy. This is the first cruise of 2021 as well, so I hope you guys enjoy this little ride with us, and hopefully you guys enjoy the scenery as much as we do as well. So yeah. Slide area. Yo, I want to do a photo shoot right there. That'd be dope. There. Yo, we just pulled up, guys. Sheesh. Look at the scenery, though. This is like the perfect weather, too. Our cars made it back in one piece. Or actually, I can't say that yet because we still got to go back. Hopefully our cars make it back in one piece. I mean, Eric was driving like, what, 600 miles per hour? Luigi was mobbing.
It was 800, get it right.
Warning! Warning!
This was a bad idea.
Like 20-year-old.
I'm like trying to not get these dirty. I'm walking flat-footed. You want $1?
I'll put $1 there, actually.
Got the BB Simon belts on deck right here.
I'm gonna be like, am I cool now?
Nah, you gotta get this one right here with the little buckle.
Bro. This one, this has a buckle.
Sorry, sir. Oh, I mean, the Fendi is meat for real.
And now he's a hunter.
Black's not alive.
Real, that's right here.
It's expired.
God, bro. Yo, this is, oh my God, this is a badass
Yo,
piece.
check this out, guys.
Bro, I said one piece, bro.
Bruh.
Turn it around.
I don't think I can.
Bro, I can't.
Yo, look at this fudge right
I
there.
thought it was here. There's a knife in there, cut it.
Oh my God, we're gonna share that, but yo, check that out.